Are you looking to become a public figure on Instagram? Well, it is not as difficult as you might think. In this video I'll show you how to change your profile settings to make yourself a public figure on Instagram. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, first make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the app Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all the way App Store. Tap on profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on update all. Perfect. Open up Instagram app. Go to your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then we should open main menu. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on three lines. Proceed to settings. Select account. And then scroll down of the bottom of the page and tap on switch to professional account. So in this order, to be a public figure on Instagram, you need a professional account. One downside of switching to a professional account is that if you have a private account, this will make your account public. Simply tap on continue for all of these things. Now we should tap on search and write public figure. As you can see, here's it. Then select this option. And you should enable display on profile. Then simply tap on done and wait some sec when your account will be changed. And now tap on creator and then tap on next. Tap on the cross sign at the top right corner if you use iPhone device. If you use Android device, tap on the cross sign at the top left corner of the screen. And boom, now I am a public figure on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.